Come and join us, hand in hand, to heal and green this golden land. Akanksha Foundation lights the way. Let's plant a tree for a brighter day. With every sapling, watch it grow, a seed of hope for all to know. A better world we can achieve. It's the change that we believe. Let's make it green and make it bright. Let's make it green with all our might.